everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm pretty tired, so I decided I'd go ahead and film my night routine. I was going to do my workout routine, but So today or tonight I'm going to be showing you the basics of what I do for my night routine and just how I get ready for bed. So let's get right into it. First, I do my workout, but to do that, first I have to get out my yoga mat, my water bottle, my weights, and then my headphones so that I can have something to listen to while I'm working out. Before I do my workout, I have to put my hair up. Usually I'll put it into a braid, and then I'll get started. So after my workout, I choose the clothes I want to wear after I shower, which is usually just sweatpants and a graphic t-shirt, and then I hop in the shower. Also, since I got my hair cut today, I will not be washing my hair because I only wash my hair every 3 days. After I've showered, I run through my skin routine, which includes washing my face with a charcoal bar of soap and then exfoliating with this. After I've gone and washed my face, exfoliated and pat dried, I apply aloe vera to my face. I'd say I probably use about maybe like a nickel size, I guess. I just smear it all over my face and then my neck. Next I go in with the CeraVe, I don't know, daily moisturizing lotion, and I just apply that all over my face, just about one pump, and then I apply it. Next, I dab on a salicylic acid treatment by Young Living, just in any problem areas or any areas that are prone to breaking out for me, which tends to be my T-zone. Then I get a late night snack, which is usually just a bowl of cereal, and then I take my gummy that helps me sleep. And then after I've brushed my teeth, I'll either watch some YouTube or a show on Netflix, and then I will wrap up my night. I hope you enjoy the video, whether you're watching it during the day or the evening. I hope you had a good time watching it and that you might have found it helpful. Bye-bye.